What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Polygon and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the likes, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently and it really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We're nearly at 10k subscribers, so please tap that sub button now. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, before we begin, we're just letting you know YouTube is currently censoring our content from what we can tell. Our reach to new members and new viewers is officially around a fourth of what it was a month ago. So we'd really appreciate if you hit the like, it just lets more people see our content. We're almost at 10k subscribers as well, so we'd really appreciate it. We really appreciate all of your support, truly. Thank you so much as always. We love you guys so much. Thank you for all your support. We're making videos every day, so you might have to come back and manually check the channel, but please do that because we're posting 4 videos per day and trying to provide value for all of you. So please come and check in every day if you're not getting notifications, because it seems like YouTube is currently not wanting people to see our content. So I don't know why this happens, but the charts recently on TradingView, they just getting absolutely smashed. Okay, well, anyway, it looks as though yeah, we'll just get rid of this line. Okay, so taking a look at the charts here for Matic, as we can see, despite all the fear in the market right now, we have actually made a higher low up for Matic, which is incredible considering everything that we've been seeing. Obviously, another big correction for Bitcoin down to 28.5k, but it does look as though it is bouncing nicely now up to around 34k at the time recording this video. So obviously the market has been rolling over recently because of Bitcoin just generally rolling over as well. We got a nice relief rally for Matic here where Bitcoin essentially went up to around 41k, but obviously with all the FUD that we saw from China in general in the past few days, we saw Matic roll over with Bitcoin rolling over as well. But things look to have stabilized now. The most impressive thing, as we said, we do think Matic has actually made a higher low here, which is absolutely insane considering everything that's going on. Pretty much every single other crypto has actually come back and retested the low that it painted on the 19th of May. But as you can see, Matic actually did it did pretty well on the 19th of May, but then had a subsequent correction here all the way down to around 75 cents. But we actually held strong, this extremely strong, in our opinion, buy area anywhere below $1 for Matic now we would consider to be a very strong buy zone. And as you can see, that has played out pretty well. Pretty much every single crypto that we've looked at has formed this inverse head and shoulders, if I could draw it. As you can see, the phallus of truth here has been potentially realized. And as you can see, if we do start to break out of this neck area, we would say, this neck zone here basically, we do start to break out of this area here where the neck has been formed. We will be looking at a decent bit of upside for Polygon, as we can see. Let me just get my measure out. You can see we'd be looking at potentially coming back up to this 150 level here, if that was the case. So things looking pretty nice right now. In our opinion, Polygon's had a nice little reversal. Everything looking extremely oversold on higher time frames, as we've been saying for most cryptos. I mean, as you can see here, look how ridiculously oversold Polygon is. The last time that we were this oversold, as we like to point out, was essentially back in December here. And we'll just take a look at, I mean, look how ridiculous the price action was. Basically, the last time that we were this oversold, we dumped from around 2 cents to around 1 cent here. So around a 50% decrease, 40 or 50% here on our 4-hour time frame. Taking a look at our daily time frame here, you can see this is the last time that we were ridiculously oversold. Was this time when we dropped from basically almost 2 cents to 1 cent here, so around a 50% drop. So as you can see, I mean even just looking at this, I mean, wow, look, things are performing exceptionally well. I believe this is a logarithmic chart, so you can see how well Polygon is actually doing in comparison to pretty much everything. So as you can quite clearly see, Polygon has done very well recently. I mean, the when in doubt zoom out really does apply here. As you can see on the logarithmic chart, we're looking very bullish in my opinion. We're holding very key levels of support. I mean, looking at the daily time frame here, nothing looks too bad in our opinion. We've actually come back and back tested again these previous swing highs here, which is good to see. But actually come down and touch this area here as well. So in our opinion, now that we've back tested everything, we're pretty much golden for continuation in our opinion. And as you can see, we are getting very, very oversold on the daily time frame as well. So, I mean, in our opinion, nothing too out of the ordinary for Polygon here. I mean, we've obviously got very, very overextended in general, the whole market. We've come back and back tested previous levels that were resistance. We're flipping them into support, back testing all these key levels. Bitcoin's back testing that 30k area very nicely, and I mean, it looks like we're pretty bullish for continuation in our opinion. We're not seeing anything too bearish on the charts, to be honest. We're making higher lows for Polygon here, so Polygon itself is doing very well. I mean, you'd expect a reversal here more than anything. I mean, if we just zoom in and take a look at what we're seeing on the chart here, we've got bullish divergences all over the place for pretty much every crypto. See, we're making lower lows on our price action here, but higher lows on our RSI. So, I mean, pretty much everything is looking pretty bullish. We obviously got this reversal here, which was pretty telegraphed by this bullish divergence here. And I mean, we are flatlining right now with Bitcoin basically trading sideways from what we can tell. But more often than not, and more likely than not, we're expecting Bitcoin to probably break up from here. We've obviously seen a lot of bearish action. The bears have got very greedy, thinking they can push the price down past 28.5k. But it's pretty obvious to us that provided that Bitcoin doesn't do anything crazy, and it does start to trickle to the upside, which seems more likely considering how ridiculously oversold it is, then, I mean, everything's still looking golden in our opinion. And I mean, as we always like to point out, look at how ridiculous. Let me just check how this looks on both charts. Logarithmic and normal charts here, both looking very bullish in our opinion. I mean, look, we're retesting the 20 here and bouncing off it with this much aplomb. Look at this wick. This is insane. I mean, the 20 EMA here is still at around 85 cents. And I mean, we're bouncing off this massively. I mean, how can you be concerned about the recent price action when you see this? Look at it. Like, this is a massive uptrend on the weekly time frame. I don't know what's going on with my red EMA. It's just dead for some reason. But I mean, when you look at the weekly time frame, I mean, look how overbought we are. I mean, we're pretty much at 100. This is the most overbought I've ever seen for Matic. So I don't know how anyone can complain that we're looking bearish right now. I mean, looking at the 5-minute chart maybe, looking at the 1-minute chart maybe, but I mean, if you zoom out, you can see we're holding the 20 EMA here, which is extremely bullish. This is very bullish. I mean, we've ran literally from basically what we're looking at here, 2 cents all the way to $2.70. Basically, in the space of, what is this? In the space of 6 months, we've ran from 1 cent, almost 2 cents, to $2.70. So well over 100x, nearly 200x. And people are saying that we're bearish. Like, I just don't see it. Look at the charts. You can quite clearly see, I mean, we're retesting the 20 on the weekly time frame here and holding it as support. Most cryptos are rolling over to the 50 at least right now. Chainlink is well below its 50 moving average on the weekly time frame. So Polygon is ultra bullish. And we are expecting, considering the crazy demand that we have seen for Polygon, random line there, we are expecting that it's pretty clear and pretty likely at least that Polygon is going to have some very, very nice run-ups in the next month or so, provided that Bitcoin can get back on its horse. So short term, hard to know, but obviously this inverse head and shoulders could play out where we come back to this zone here between basically 125 and 150, which would be nice. Just see us reversing back up these levels again. Bitcoin hopefully will flip bullish, which it looks like it is doing. It's so oversold right now. The reversal seems very likely. And in the next year or so, I mean, $5 to $10, maybe $10, $15, $20. All these price targets are possible for Polygon in our opinion, considering how ridiculously good this protocol is. It's getting a huge amount of use. You can see the demand for it here, and we are making higher lows. So looking bullish, and we do think in the long term, Polygon could be top 10 project. Hundreds of billions of market cap, so obviously $10, $15, $20 in the next year or so doesn't seem out of the question to us at all. And I mean, even longer than that. 5 to 10 years down the road, who knows what could happen. But I mean, we do think Polygon's got a really good chance of being successful in the long term as well. So that's our update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks and then withdraw the money, so there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each, but don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with Pure VPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.